In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export SVG from Figma Design. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm excited to share a quick and easy tutorial with you today on how to export an SVG file from Figma. SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, is quite different from formats like PNG or JPG. The beauty of SVG files lies in their scalability. You can resize them without losing any quality. This makes them an excellent choice for logos, icons, illustrations, and various graphics used on websites. So let's not waste any time and dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your design file in Figma. Whether you're working on a logo, an intricate icon, a stylish illustration, or even a component or frame, make sure to have the right file opened up. Once you've got your design visible, go ahead and select the specific element that you want to export. This is crucial because Figma allows you to export each component individually or as a group, depending on your needs. Now, take a look at the right side Properties panel. If you've never explored this area before, it's a treasure trove of options. Scroll down to the very bottom until you find the Export section. It might seem like a small thing, but this is where the magic starts to happen. Now, look for the plus icon in the Export section. Clicking this will add export settings for your selected element. Pretty straightforward, right? Next, you will see a Format drop-down menu. Click on that and select SVG from the list. If you're in the mood to customize your export options, you can click on the Settings icon next to the Format drop-down. This way, you can choose options like outlining text or simplifying strokes, which can be particularly useful depending on what you are exporting. After you've set everything up to your liking and selected SVG, it's time to complete the process. Click that Export button you see there. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. Pick a suitable spot, name your file, and click Save. And just like that, your SVG file has been exported successfully. But wait, here's a little bonus tip for you. If you want to grab the SVG code directly without having to download the file, that's totally possible too. Simply right-click on the selected element, navigate to Copy Paste As, and select Copy as SVG. It's as easy as that. You can paste this code directly into any code editor or incorporate it into your website project. And there you have it. That's how you export SVG files from Figma in just a few simple steps. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found it useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We have plenty more Figma tips and design tutorials planned for you. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.